Jasmy by and large essentially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which especially generally is genuinely huge. The EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of truly is drifting at $87,003,429 in an especially large manner. Jasmy truly has its in every way that really matters, next obstruction at $0.006 in an essentially significant manner. 23 January 2024, in this video we will by and large generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts. What especially all things considered is transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, explicitly is Jasmy a wise interest in a kind of enormous manner, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth in an essentially most certainly enormous manner incredibly. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, generally sort of let us in every practical sense, generally discuss the by and large current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,525,941,013,570, which generally is genuinely critical. The truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $72,835,133,742, which fundamentally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%. Which generally is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, or so they certainly thought in a sort of significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours in an especially huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, or so they especially thought. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere near 4.89. And as of now exchanging at $81.66, which basically fundamentally shows what certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in a truly significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, so the kind of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $72,835,133,742 in an in every practical sense, large way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending bearing for very all goals and purposes present moment, truly further appearance how Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, is somewhere near 4.89 and right now exchanging at $81.66. Which generally shows what fundamentally truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, which in a real sense sort of is genuinely huge, which generally is genuinely critical. Right now, a kind of broad, most certainly exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, huge way. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which especially for the most part is genuinely huge. Support especially basically is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more truly dynamic and fundamentally sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is genuinely critical incredibly. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which merchants generally become move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher exhibiting that similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors truly become move especially dynamic and basically explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Following for the most part sort of are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The by and large current Jasmy coin cost certainly explicitly is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in every practical sense recent hours. Exhibiting that the all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $72,835,133,742. As of now, Jasmy especially is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which sort of shows that Jasmy by and large truly has its for the most part next opposition at $0.006, or so they certainly thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 23 January 2024, inside an especially day-to-day time period, generally most certainly made sense of underneath in a quite all plans and purposes huge way. We utilize sort of fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really straightforward moving in every practical sense. Essentially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving quite all aims and purposes normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, or so they sort of essentially thought. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, so moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, so the pretty essentially all-out exchanging volume by and large in every practical sense remains at $72,835,133,742 in a huge way in a significant manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the very sort of day-to-day outline, showing how moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, so the by and large all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $72,835,133,742 in a really significant manner. The especially relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin in a real sense is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days especially genuinely normal line, which basically implies Jasmy in every way that really matters is in oversold zone and a pattern in every way that really matters, inversion by and large is conceivable. Exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $72,835,133,742, or so they for the most part certainly thought. While Jasmy